We have 2018 Infiniti Qx30. The check engine light was on due to the thermostat malfunctioning, so we end up replacing the thermostat. And it's about 6 hours job. From the beginning we thought we can do it from that way, but it didn't give us enough room, so basically we went through the removing the intake manifold. The job is already done, and replace that. However, it's highly recommended when you do that, replace the oil filter housing, which my finger is pointed to, because this vehicle has got 190,000 miles, and in that kind of mile, these are all plastic, made by plastic, and they have a wear and tear indication. So it's basically the best way is to just replace everything. So I already have the old part right here. As you see, this is the thermostat. It was malfunctioning, and this is the oil filter housing. However, we got this one. You can get this one from Worldpack, way cheaper price, and dealer has it for almost $700. Anyway, we're gonna do the spark plugs after that, since we have the air ducts off for the airbox. And after that, we're gonna bleed the system. Doesn't need to bleed that much, and start the car and reset the code, see what's gonna happen. But again, if you guys wanted to go that way, that me personally cannot do that, couldn't do that because like I said, that they didn't give me enough room. So basically we decided to go to the right way and take off the intake manifold. So we are looking around almost 5 hours job, maybe 6 I would say, to get that job done. So again, we're doing the spark plug. When it comes to spark plugs, make sure you get the original one. That's iridium, so recommended by Infiniti. Make sure you use the right coolant, recommended by Infiniti. And this is all about it, basically. Again, there are a lot of plastic hoses. Make sure you don't break them. So if you see something like cracked or just like has got the wear and tear indication, that the customer know before you touch it, especially on the higher mile vehicles, which they tend to do that. Newer generations, all vehicles and models has got the made by plastic, most of the parts. So this would be the situation. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.